If you need a quick and easy solution to send bulk SMS from your own phone number, I've got something for you. I created a solution called QuickText. QuickText is ideal for small business owners, real estate agents, sales and marketing teams, consultants, or basically any professionals who need to reach many clients, customers, or leads via text. It's great for sending promotions, appointment reminders, event invitations, follow-ups, or any campaign where a personal SMS can make a difference. And since the messages are coming from your own phone number, any replies go straight to your phone. And that also means if you've got unlimited SMS from your phone carrier, there are no additional costs. Now, and to keep things as simple as possible, the entire solution is built in Microsoft Excel. So if you know how to open a spreadsheet, you're good to go. Okay, that's enough of an intro. Let us dive in and let me show you how it works. All you need to do is to enter your recipient's number and the messages you want to send. Once that's done, you just need to click one button. The tool will now check if the numbers are valid and if your phone is connected to your computer. Then, once those checks are passed, QuickText will start sending each message one by one. You will see the sending progress right here in Excel, but you can also check it on your smartphone. Here you will see that every message is sent to the right person as if I typed it myself, but it's fully automated. Now, to keep each message personal, you can also use placeholders just like I did here. That means you can add things like the receiver's name right into the message. In my example, I'm informing clients about a new home that's for sale. So I've added the receiver's name, the address of the property, and the open house date. By the way, for each placeholder, you can also set a fallback value. For example, if I don't know the person's name, I can just say hi there instead. Also, to make things sound a little bit more natural, even when sending messages in bulk, you can use something called Spintext. It rotates different messages parts like the greetings. So here it might randomly pick hello, hi or hey. Now, setting up these placeholders is actually super easy. Right here in this sheet, you just copy and paste your numbers and then define as many placeholders as you want. In my case, I have to find the name for each number. But since the property address and the date are the same for everyone, I've also set up a global placeholder. That way, if I have a new property to promote, I just change the address and the date once, and I can send out a whole new batch of messages right away. Okay, next up, let me also show you another handy feature, which is the built-in phone number formatter and validator. So you might already have your contacts saved in another spreadsheet or CSV file, and those numbers might be all in different formats. So in that case, you just copy and paste the numbers right into this sheet. And then with just one click, they get formatted for sending and the tool will check if they are valid or not. Additionally, you will see the country, the number type, so whether it's a mobile or landline, and even the time zone. So this way you can be sure you're only sending messages to valid numbers. Alright, so if you like what you have seen and you want to give QuickText a try, getting everything set up takes less than 5 minutes. All you need is this Excel template and a free open source software called KDE Connect. With that, you can connect your phone to your computer. And the best part is that KDE Connect is already available in the official Microsoft Store and the Google Play Store. So you don't have to install any sketchy or unauthorized apps on your device. Just download the app on both your computer and your phone. Open it on both devices, and as long as they're on the same Wi-Fi, your phone will automatically show up in QuickText. And now you're ready to send your messages. And by the way, you can also connect as many phones as you want and then choose from this list here which one you want to use for sending SMS. And I've also put together a full step-by-step video that walks you through everything. It's included in the official QuickText documentation. Now, the big benefits of this setup is that none of your data ever leaves your computer. It's a local setup, so none of your messages are being sent anywhere else. Also, there is no A2P, so application to person, registration or approval process needed. Because again, the messages are coming from your own phone number. And that also means your messages are more likely to be read since they're not coming from any random shortcode or unknown bulk sender number. They are just regular messages coming from you. Lastly, let me also mention that QuickText will also work with an eSIM, and if both you and the receiver have RCS, so Rich Communication Services enabled, then QuickText will automatically use that to send your messages. Now, there's just one small downside. QuickText only works with a Windows computer and an Android phone. So if you are using a Mac or an iPhone, unfortunately this won't work for you. Alright, now if you want to get started with QuickText, just head over to my website. It will be the first link in the description box below. On my website, you can grab the tool, and right after that, you will get a welcome email that includes QuickText, your license key, and the getting started video I just mentioned. So feel free to check that out and make bike texting fast, easy, personal and cost-effective. And with that, I wish you happy sending.